Welcome viewer, I am Murugan S. This video tutorial describes how to install Discord on Mac. Open browser. Type Discord in browser search bar. Click download. Click download now. Click to open downloaded file. Drag Discord to application folder. Click Go, Application. Click to open Discord application. Click Open. Thanks for watching. I hope this video tutorial helps to solve the problem. Please like, share and don't forget to subscribe my channel. See you next video.